How to promote your display show. So, to promote my display, I usually use Pinterest because it is really just organic. Okay, you can just put a keyword in a description. You can even say here link in description or a link available, right? And then click on more options, and they can visit the site, right? They can go ahead and buy this poster by just accessing a display. So to upload this, it's really easy and simple. Come here at the top right, okay? And then click on upload your artwork. And once you do that, you get a title, right? A description you can go ahead and use in your Pinterest and just add the link while you are creating. For example, let me show you one. Now I'm uploading this one to Displate and take the title, right? And then come to Pinterest, drag and drop the file first. There we go. And then I can go ahead and set the title right here. Okay, the description, I can copy this. And of course, I can as well add something like, link added for poster, right? Let's do poster link added. And then add a nice description with keywords. You can just go ahead and take a link of your, poster with the link from Displate. Choose a board, right? For example, cute animals. You can go ahead and use tags as well. You can also use Displate to get your tags. They actually provide, for example, lion cubs, wildlife, right? Add things like that. Lion cubs, right? So do lion, we'll do cub, and then we'll go ahead and do wildlife. Anything that is available, wildlife photography. And then once you're happy with this, you can go ahead and publish it. And there we go. Click on view. By coming here more options, we can go ahead and visit our display site. As you can see, it will redirect us. Really that easy and simple.